Happy Day, children. Our transdisciplinary theme is how we express ourselves, and that is, it is an inquiry into the ways in which we discover and express ideas, feelings, nature, culture, beliefs, and values, the ways in which we reflect on, extend, and enjoy our creativity, our appreciation of the aesthetic. Right? Our central idea is the elements of art allows people to convey ideas and explore. Lines of inquiry are elements in visual art. In today's visual art, we are going to learn about texture, lines, and color. So, what is texture? Texture is the way something feels to the touch or looks to the eye. They are like rough, hard, smooth, soft, describes the texture of an object. Students, do you remember the texture we learned in our class was with the leaf and the visual texture, where we learned about the texture of a tree stump. The next element we are going to learn is lines. Line is an element of art defined by a point moving in a space. In our class, we learned about different types of lines such as horizontal, vertical, curvy, wavy, etc. The next element is colors. Colors is the aspect of things that is caused by different qualities of light being reflected. Our primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Our secondary colors are orange, green, and purple. And these are the activities we learned in colors. In the visual arts class, we are going to learn about texture, lines, and color in our artwork. So for this activity, our key concepts are form, function, and connection. Form is the shape what we are going to do about it. Function is how we are implementing our different elements in it. And the connection is we are going to bring out the texture of a coconut in our artwork. So can we start? Let us first see how the texture of a coconut. It is rough, where we can see the lines, and then the color. So first we'll draw the shape of a coconut. Here I have drawn 2 coconuts. If you want, you can draw only 1 or even more than that. After drawing, we'll start coloring it. We are going to use a medium of oil pastels, and the coconut color is mixed of yellow ochre, brown, and a little black and a little yellow with red. Right? So first we are going to give the fully yellow ochre and then adding up little brown in the shade. Observe the video twice so that it can be easy for you to draw it. And while coloring, take up the colors and then color. I am adding up little bit yellow in it, and then again ochre. And I am adding up black color for the coconut, little bit dark eyes look. We see that there are 2 eyes or 1 eye in every coconut, and that is here we are giving, and then adding a black outline. The black outline I have done with the oil pastels, and again adding up little bit shade. Now for giving a texture of coconut, I am scraping off the color with a toothpick, the form of a line where I am doing with the toothpick. When we give a texture of a coconut, it should be lines there, isn't it? And that is how we are adding up with adding a tool of toothpick. Now we have added a texture of a coconut in our artwork. As it should be little bit dark, I am adding a little bit dark shade and then giving again lines with the toothpick. When you use a toothpick, be sure that you are doing with your parent guidance. I finished one coconut. Now I am doing the color of the another one. For this I am doing with a brown color and then adding up yellow ochre in it. And similarly adding up the brown, dark brown and a little red shade in it. And then the black color outline and the black color eyes look. And then adding up the texture of a coconut with a toothpick. Finally, we'll add up a shadow look in our artwork, and that is with a little bit light violet and adding up yellow ochre and a black color shade so that it looks lively. Finally, I am just giving a black outline with a color pencil. So we have done our artwork with the texture, lines and color. So from this activity, our approaches to learning are thinking skills and research skills. Thinking skills is because we are thinking about the texture, lines and color in our artwork. And research skill is we are making and implementing the three elements in our artwork. So our learner profile attributes are thinker and inquirer. Our learning outcome is to develop the understanding with the texture and to select the tools and materials and processes for our artwork. Once you finish, write the heading and the name and take a pic of your work and upload it. Thank you, children.